Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 27. My name is Walter. We are still working with combined operation on fraction using BODMAS. Let's go and do this question together. According to BODMAS, we don't have bracket, we don't have off, but we have division. So we'll start here from division. First, we are going to change these mixed numbers into improper fraction. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, get 9 over 4. Divide by 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1, get 9 over 8. Then you are going to drop the rest. That is plus 5 over 9. We are working on division. We will keep the first fraction. Then we are going to change division into multiplication. We will reciprocate the second fraction. That is going to be 8 over 9. Then we are going to drop the rest. Here we can simplify by 9 1, by 9 1, by 4 1, by 4 we got 2. This is equal to numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. That is going to be 1 multiplied by 2. We got 2 over 1 multiplied by 1. We got 1. We drop the rest. That is plus 5 over 9. According to BODMAS, for this question, we are going to finish with addition. So we are going to find the LCM of 1 and 9, which is going to be 9. 9 divided by 1, we get 9. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. Plus 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 multiplied by 5, we get 5. 18 plus 5, we got 23 over 9. But this is improper fraction, so we are going to put into mixed number. This will be equal to 2 whole number 5 over 9. Hope you understand how to work with combined operation on fraction using BODMAS. For more video on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.